Hello everyone. In this video we can see how to download Windows 11 ISO file from Microsoft official website. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Windows 11 ISO file download. And you can see the first link which will appear here will be from Microsoft official website. I am going to click on this link here. I am also going to put in link in description of this video so you can directly come to this website. Then you have three options for the Windows 11 installation. First is Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Second is Windows 11 Installation Media. And third is we want, which is the Windows 11 disk image or ISO file. And here under the selection, select Windows 11. And then click on download now. Then you will see one more selection which says select the product language. Then we are going to select English International. Then click on confirm. After a few seconds you will the download button for Windows 11 64-bit. We are going to click on this download button and we can see which is going to start the download of this ISO file. So once this file is downloaded, it is going to look like this. So this is how you can download the Windows 11 ISO file. So I hope you enjoyed this video.